What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, y'all. Hey. The reason why I'm here today is yes, I have been using my cuticle oil, but you know, I've been taking my biotin, yes, for hair growth and nail strength and all that stuff. But y'all, look who got some nails. My nails are here and they're not weak and they're not brittle and breaking off. Look there. Look. I just took my nail polish off. Let me show you this hand because I'm just using my phone right now. But I'm so excited. This is so good. I am loving it. So I'm just going to polish my nails here in just a moment. And I'm going to do them probably like white, just like my toes. I just did my feet as well. You know, I don't have the cutest toes in the world, so I don't like to show them too much. But there they go. I love the white toenails. I love white toenail polish every day of the week. No question about it. But I'm going to whip these nails down and do that. But I just wanted to show y'all the nail growth just to give you an update. So excited about that, y'all. Y'all just don't know. They were totally like trash. I mean, my nails had went through the ringer with all of the nail enhancements, and I'm just glad to have them back, and I'm not going to beat them up anymore. I'm not going to beat my nails up anymore. Too precious to me, for sure. So I'm out of here. Thanks a lot for just popping in and hanging out with me for this brief moment. Your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous.